So my question, are you a sashimi or are you a sushi grill type of girl? Or boy or guy? I like my thing grilled. Listen, put it on the grill. Roast me, grill me. Come and spend some time with me in Tokyo. I'm getting ready to go home to visit my family, but I have to spend some time with my friends, and today we're going to have sushi. It's a sushi date. I'm also getting some flowers for my friends as a surprise, so let's see what we can get up to today. Yup. Check out the video. Remember to like, remember to share, remember to subscribe. Love you. Court. So we're buying flowers for my friends. I think we're gonna choose them to here. The flower shop. Can I get the money? To take my love away. When I come back around, will I know what to say? Hey guys, so here I'm trying to secure some flowers for my friends. So in Japan, I am not going to lie, in comparison to Jamaica, you can get a really cute bouquet of flowers for under $1,000 or under $2,000. You can get a really cute bouquet of flowers. So I'm leaving Japan to come and visit my family, and I wanted to give my friends a really cute gift, a little Christmas gift, fall gift, winter gift, and I thought some flowers would go really good. And I'm also walking around in the mall until it was time for us to have our sushi date. So this is the mall in Japan. Check it out. Bye.
Said you won't forget my name. Not today, not tomorrow.
It's me again. One thing about Japan. Listen, Japan is going to take your money. Japan is going to take all your coins because you're going to always find something cute, something artsy, something attractive. And look at the guys doing the break dancing and the singing in the streets.
Kinda strange, feeling sorry, like I changed. When I come back around, I don't know what to say. Not today. Is it more? Open up the door. Can you open up the door? I know we said before you can cope if I need more. You told me it was war. Said you'd show me what's in store. I hope it's not for sure. Can you open up the door?
What's the plan? What's the plan of below? Yeah. I have the menu. Wow. So what a quick one there. Raw one. Is this? I You see me the rest. Light boiled salmon cheese. Oh, that's interesting. Salmon and cheese and one. You know them staring it.
Is it warm now? Is there a heat coming up?
The morning I grill, the morning cold. One thing for sure, two things are certain. The Japanese know their stuff when it comes to sushi, right? I mean, they're the land of sushi. But the skill, the art that goes into preparing these cute little sushi rolls for us is remarkable. And they were doing it for multiple people. Like people were sitting on the side, people were sitting around the serving area right there, like us at the bar. And I'm telling you that they were precise. They burned. And the thing about it is that they were a bit skeptic at the fact that we wanted ours grilled because they believe that the high quality sushi must be it raw. It must be sashimi. You must taste all the richness and the rawness of the sea. But I'm not for it. I'm not for it. I'm not for it. So they were a bit skeptical about it. They were saying that it would take away the flavor from it when they add heat and fire to it. But I'm like, I don't mind. I don't mind. Baby, I don't mind. Burn mine. So my friend Kiji loves her stuff raw. So she had sashimi. And as you can see, her plate is well decorated with all that sashimi. And these were mine and my other friend Chinita. She also liked it grilled. So we had a lot of grill stuff. While Kiji had a lot of raw stuff. Okay, so as I said before, I like my thing grilled, right? The avocado and the shrimp one is really good. The second one, the middle one was scallop. That was really tasty, really juicy. And then the other one was salmon. And I really enjoyed these. I had maybe like 2 rounds of these. And the thing about it is that they were pretty cheap. You also get a serving of miso soup. I think you can get 2 servings of miso soup and matcha as well. So that's a bonus and a combo. And I really love that. Like each sushi was like maybe like 280 there about. It wasn't crazy. It wasn't ridiculous. And 280 yen is probably like $1 or $2 or something like that. No more than $2 or something like that. And they were yummy. And if you had any specifications, they were willing to accommodate you. So I love that about this restaurant. If you need details about the restaurant, drop a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know which one you try. Bye.
Another one. Sit up, never like you know it's special packet with them automatics. We gon' send them to heaven. Wait, 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 wait.
Is that the crazy thing is that I didn't start using chopsticks until probably my last year. I never practiced with chopsticks. It just comes naturally to me. Yeah, I'm just a natural. As I struggle right here, I'm a natural. And it was in this moment I knew that this sushi roll was a bomb. And I was trying to tell my friends, you have to try this. You have to try this. That was me. You have to try this. It was so good. The avocado one with shrimp was really, really good. And then when you sprinkle a little soy sauce on top, chef kiss. Big up the chef in the back. Well, at the side. Yeah, big him up.
Start your on the bed.
Alright, go back. She needs to people start come down. So after having sushi, wanted a bit more, wanted to hang out a little bit longer and get some drinks. So went to this Jamaican spot in Shibuya. It's one of the best Jamaican restaurants in Shibuya. And we went there and we had some Jamaican food. We had some jerk chicken, some festival, and we had beer. And we had shots as well. So let's go there. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe to my channel, people. Like this video. Comment. Drop a comment if you want to go to Japan. Drop a comment if you're living in Japan. Drop a comment if you're a Jamaican. Period. Yeah?
What restaurant would you get off here? So?
What I mean? Oh, I mean, Hooters.
You know, open at the bar tonight. These are after we're done.
Over there, so.
Yeah, you know, Jamaican music.
We're gonna go sake. We're gonna try sake. What? Never.
And one way behind me have to move time dusty. I'm looking for a brother who got hella pound. 079, baby, I'm a hammer to the top.
Bossy, bossy, Godfather, and an OG, and a half humble, and a bossy. Bring a rag a rhythm like it's so free. Bossy, house on the post G. My money so long it doesn't know me. It's looking at my kids like a
What could be tough for the tour?
Oh, I'm going to now.
I'll be down. That's why you can't answer me.
Beer festival again. Oh, street food. Hello. Not me, I walk to them beer festival. They eat in an empty.
3 o'clock?
You don't understand?
How far?
In an empty also.
Oh, look at him.
A kitchen, please. Yeah.
Pork?
One. Yeah.
Hi.
A year, please.
That is it. You wanna know what the juice? I just shot alone, you know?
Oh, the mango.
We can't get the mango. Okay.
You want to try one first?
Sure.
Mango bear.
Or lychee.
Alcohol.
Alcohol.
Okay.
Alcohol. Mango beer.
Hi.
I'm a beer you want.
So,
Mango bear to.
lychee?
Mango bear.
Ask me can mix it. If you can mix it. Ask me gonna mix the mango.
Lychee.
Hi.
Sample them. Sample them. Mix it. Right.
Leave.
Alright.
Okay.
Okay.
Right.
Hey, yo, Sean.
Hey, so when me spit it body with it, baby girl I get with it.
Okay, so after dinner, we went to explore a bit around Shibuya, around the restaurant. As you can see, we cleared our plates. But we went exploring a bit around the restaurant. They were having some festival outside, and people were doing some singing and dancing and stuff like that. So we wanted to see. So we went out. I'll just explore. Listen, it was a weekend. And what do you do when it's a weekend? You go outside. So we were outside. So come on, let's look around the restaurant in Japan. Let's look around the Jamaican restaurant. Let's look around Shibuya. Shibuya roll call. Do you know that song? But yeah, come on, let's look around.
No, put on a film.
Oh, what's that? Come in a go on out of song.
Let's go.
What bag them let's do? Me I go back keep back them.
If you get your ear cut or just so, I am party over this stuff.
Alright. We're kissing on wild one. That's pretty dope.